What is up, guys? I'm coming back at you with another video, but this time a little different. I was just packing up my meals, getting it ready for the week, do a little prep, and normally I use my lunchbox. Let me grab it for you. So this has been my lunchbox for the past, I don't know, 2.5 years. It's done me pretty good. It's lasted, kept my food cold. But I've had some trouble with the zipper. It's starting to come apart. So, this one made by six pack lunch boxes, six pack bags, something like that. So, crucial piece of equipment. And zipper coming apart, got to get a new one. Decided to go with an ISO bag. Just so happened, it just showed up just now, probably an hour ago. So I'm gonna go grab it off the porch. Why don't y'all come along with me? Alright, so just got the box. Figured, hey, we'll do a little unboxing, first impressions, see what it looks like. Online it's advertised as keeping your food cold for, if my memory serves me correct, it was about 10 to 12 hours, which is perfect. I work outside, it's hot normally. I want my food to stay cold. So let's open this bad boy up. Handy box opener. So, got this bad boy packed in there tight. Went with the orange and black. Orange and black. Alright. It's kind of heavy. A little heavier than I was expected. Pulling it out of there, but there's some stuff with it. Let's open it up. Okay, before we open it, first impressions. Quality, looks good. The zippers are all YKK zippers, so I guess that means it's good. I don't know, I've seen it on my jeans before. But yeah, quality's good. I like the color. Seems sturdy. So yeah, let's open it up. Strap. We've got not one, not two, but three ice packs. 3 ice packs. I like it. The 6-pack bag came with 1 ice pack. So that alone is an improvement. This, not sure what this is. Some type of divider. Let's move on. All right, we've got a variety of containers. So this one not only says it's going to hold my food colder for longer. Look at all that space, guys. Look at all that space. It says I can put 6 meals in there, if not more, which I like. I eat a lot. I like more meals.
More meals.
All right, we're gonna see what kind of containers we got. They're all wrapped up in plastic, nice and neat. Take these out. All right. We've got a little thank you letter from the ISO crew. Nice touch. Alright, limited lifetime warranty on this bad boy. It says you have to register it guess in order to have that warranty. We have two, I think these might be, I don't know what size they are. They're a little bit bigger. Well, hold on. Let me open them all up. See which ones match. Those seem to be the same. All right, I think we're good now. So three of the larger containers. They're all supposed to be microwave and dishwasher safe, which is perfect because that's all I'm going to do with them other than eat out of them. So we got three of the larger containers. Nice size. If you want to pack a little bit more food. We've got one kind of medium size. This is normally about the size I use on my other ones. Take a look at what I've got packed up already. You know. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these smaller ones, which not too far off of what I normally use, so those will probably come in handy. So yeah, let me go ahead and pack up this one right here before I spill it, knock it over or something crazy. So yeah, pretty cool. Extra containers, lids. Oh, another thing, they're all BPA free. You know, I've heard that's good. Seem to seal up pretty good. I'm gonna give that a thumbs up. Moving along. So, let's get you down here looking at the bag. We've seen the main compartment. Let's open up the top. This top strap unbuckles. Oh my goodness. Top strap, it unbuckles. Nice big open compartment. A little netting there if you want to put something inside there, maybe some utensils. I don't know. I'm probably just going to use it for extra storage for food. You know, you can stick another container right in there and close it up so you can get at least an extra meal in there if you wanted to. On the sides, pretty big spot right there. You could definitely put a shaker cup in there, and you've got a little net, kind of stretchy pocket there. Same thing on this side. That new don't want to open. Alright, so we got an extra one there. Both of these are actually insulated. So if you had a protein shake or something that you already made up and want to keep it cold, shove it down in one of these side pockets. Seems like it'll work pretty good. Identical mesh pockets on the side. Keys, phone, wallet maybe, whatever you don't want banging around in your pockets that you want to put in there. So yeah, I'm excited. New bag. Gonna take it tomorrow, being Monday. I'll have it for work. Big thing, guys, that I really liked. Obviously, I like that it's gonna keep my food cold for a long period of time. But 3 ice packs, I mean, it's pretty good. All right, guys, so that's it. Quick rundown on the Isolator Fitness bag. Seems like a quality build bag. excited to use it. Maybe I'll put in a comment a week from now, something like that. Let you know how it's working out. Said I work outside normally on the daily, so it sits in a hot truck for at least 8 hours a day in the South Carolina heat. So it's gonna get tested pretty well, I'd say. So, you know, a week from now, maybe I'll put a little comment in, let y'all know what's going on, how it's holding up, and you know, how the food's staying cold and all that good stuff. Anyways, that's it, guys. I hope this video provided some type of value for you, and if you're watching my channel, more than likely you're going to be using a bag like this to take your meals on the go with you. So with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. I hope y'all have a great day. Again, oh, hang on. Say hi, Opie. So I'm gonna get on out of here. Y'all have a great day, and if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, follow me, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Let me know you're there, just so you can say hi. I'll say hi back. We'll have a good old time, and you know, we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you guys. I love you. Have a great one. Peace.